In this video, we will discuss the most practical plan for ethics and essay, especially for those who are part of any of the mains batches at Sunya IAS. Before I even start, let me share something with you. In the past few days, I have seen many of the students who have come to me and who have been recommended by previous year toppers, the people who have studied especially the essay from me. The common concern with those people who were not able to qualify this examination in 2025 was that they have seen a sudden decrease in their essay ka score. People who were scoring 115 to 125 have dropped all of a sudden, maybe to 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. But just to make you confident and just to ensure that the students, all of those who got the rank last year and who have studied the essay from me, have ended up scoring at least 110. I mean, the lowest was 105, and all of them have decently scored in essay paper. Now, before I even start, let me tell you one thing. These two subjects I will be dealing with you. And before I even start with what will be the plan, let me first discuss the importance of these two papers. The weightage is 500, and these are the two most important scoring areas in the mains preparation, no doubt at all. People have been scoring at least, and this I'm saying at least, those who have got the rank 120 in ethics. And this year, I mean, although you might have had the perception that in essay people have scored 140, this year 110 and anything above was decent. So what I'm saying, in both the papers, 120 is something which is a decent score. So our target is to at least cross 250 combinedly in these two sets, that is ethics and essay. Now, just to let you know, if you will see GS1, where the average score or the maybe the score which is decent is 100. GS2, last year the decent score of 105 to 110. GS3, the decent score is 85 to 100, anything. Now, if you compare these three, 100 in GS1, 105 in GS2, then 85 in GS3. With these two scores, you will realize that these two papers will play a very important role in your mains, right? So the idea is, since they are important, first thing is we should be starting early, and the second thing is we should be practicing these two papers, and the third thing is that we should be doing a sufficient value addition for these two areas. Now, let me tell you the mistake which most of the aspirants, those who give first mains, do. And the mistake is that these, what is the first attempters or maybe the people who are giving their first mains generally end up ignoring these two only. They ignore especially the essay and even ethics sometimes, and they push it to the end. They push it to the very last. I've seen students who sit in the mains without even writing any essay before. Okay, so those have been the cases. To avoid those circumstances in the scenarios, we have to ensure that we have to finish both of them very early. And the timeline which we will keep along with all the notes, value addition, understanding, structuring. And I promise you, you won't find the better classes of ethics and essay, whatever we will be doing in the batch. I promise you that. Okay? The target which we'll be keeping is 7 days for both of them. Right? 7 days, mein, both of these, I ensure you do. And I will show you exactly how you have to do. And this I'm saying syllabus coverage, not the practice wala part, syllabus. Right? Second thing is assurance. I want to assure you one thing, that the quality and the coverage, both of them which you will be getting under the essay and ethics classes, will be best in the market. I generally take one live batch, that is it, every year. And the single one live batch of ethics and essay gives me more than 20 plus results every year. And you won't believe, my essay See, ethics, the very recent batch which we have started, essay I've been teaching from last 4 to 5 years. Almost all the aspirants which join essay separately are those who have been recommended by the topper themselves, right? So these two areas are nothing but the hidden gold. And what I will do is, I will try to show you some of the samples also, right? How we have covered these two areas. See, ethics may, at most of the places, I've seen people just going with the theories or maybe something which cannot be directly replicated in the exam hall. My approach in ethics is highly exam relevant, where I deal with the keywords, examples, and the arguments. Done? So, for ethics, we'll keep it very exam oriented, very, example oriented, keywords oriented. I mean, since I am an engineer, I try to make the things objective as well. We will try to remove the subjectivity from the ethics at very first go. In essay, I promise you, if you have the fear of philosophical essays, especially, you will exactly know that what you have to write paragraph by paragraph. And that is my strength, and that I will ensure that you are having the score which is phenomenal in both these papers, right? What will be the strategy? We'll come to it. I have the plan here. I have the plan here. But right now, there are some basic things on which we're talking. Then the mindset. Mindset is that we need not to stress the syllabus beyond next 7 days. In next 7 days, we have to finish the syllabus, whatsoever it is. That is, you have to understand the subjects. You have to understand the subject. You should have the notes of the subjects with all keywords and examples. And then the structuring wala part, very important. Those who don't know what do I mean by structuring, don't worry, you will come to know. This is something which let your brain work automatically when you're writing the answers. Okay? So in 7 days you have to finish this. Then we have to sit upon the PYQs, right? For ethics especially, we have to ensure that we are solving PYQs regularly and consistently once we have finished the syllabus. We'll use the same notes, same understanding wala part, keywords to write all the PYQs almost of last 8 to 10 years. First thing. So this is one, this is two, and then third level pe we will be going with the value addition, enrichment, and I will tell you exactly how. Now, what is the plan? The plan is, first of all, as I already told you, in 1 week, within 1 week, and I don't even need 1 week, let me tell you, 2 days I am keeping buffer. In 1 week, we have to ensure that we are completing the given tasks. What is task? First of all, you have 3 day long lectures of ethics, which you will get in advance. Day long lectures of ethics, which you will get in advance. Then in 2 days, you have to complete, 6 structuring lectures of essay. So these 2 days are allotted to essay. These 3 days are allotted to ethics. And 2 days I'm keeping buffer so that you can make the anecdotes for the essay. I have guided very beautifully in my classes, right, how to go about it. So this is the 1 week of plan, where we are ensuring that within 1 week, sir and ma'am, we are securing the 500 marks. Earlier, I was having the plan to take the live classes, but then I figured out that already I have the wonderful, set of classes. What better I can do is, just look at the board and you love it. What better I can do is, serious. So what I've done for those 3 lectures which I've said for the ethics, and believe me, those are the most comprehensive, lectures you will ever find on the ethics. Just start watching them as a part of your program. You will start, feeling the subject. What I've done for the entire syllabus, see, if you can see, I have already got the notes made. These are the what is the arguments? These are the keywords: moral blind spot, instrumental morality, ethical relativism, double standards, okay, ethical objectivity. So keyword based, and then you have the examples inserted in the notes, and these are the notes of my classes only. Those three classes, I have got the notes made for you. Watch them along with the classes. Just read the notes, watch the classes, understand the classes better so that you understand the subject. Okay. So 3 days, man, you can complete it like anything. I promise you that, and you will start loving this subject, especially ethics. Okay. In essay, I have given you 6 lectures. I am coming to it. What I've done for the entire syllabus, very objectively: keyword, then example, keyword, keyword, example, keyword, example, keyword, example. We have compiled almost the entire syllabus. Okay. So these notes will be the part. So what you have to do now, again to brief you, in 3 days, you have to go through the lectures. Along with this lectures, you have to follow these notes, right? And you have to ensure that you're covering your syllabus. See, there is no point of wasting the time just to sit, no, which has nothing to do with the marks. I'm going very, what I can say though, extreme here. The idea is watching the lectures and the notes don't make us fetch the marks. What will make us fetch the marks are two things. First is we use them to practice. So if you're writing mains, what we have decided is you complete this if possible, in the next 7 days at a stretch. Just go all in, complete, right? If you don't have any of the Vajra classes, just complete, go all in, complete them so that you're ready with the fodder. And then every week, what we will be doing is we will be having the sessions for the practice PYQs, for which I have already given the workbooks. You will find the links of everything in your Telegram channel for the course. If you're part, let's say if you're part of Vajra, you will find the links in Vajra. If you're part of Mains Bootcamp batch or Mains Bootcamp Plus batch, you will find the links there, right? So what I'm saying, these workbooks are nothing but this is a workbook. Okay, see, what we have done is there is a question, we have given you the space. There is a question, we have given you the space. So what we will be doing is, sir and ma'am, once you are ready with the content, just go record it, have the content with you. We will conduct the live practice sessions, right? So every week we are meeting, we are writing the live PYQs, and these two important areas we will tackle every week. So that your content enrich, you know the art of, what is the writing the answers on ethics and essay. And let me assure you, your marks will be in the top range with this. Okay. So please follow the ideology as it is. It is something which is ultra practical. I mean, which shall be done. If you don't believe me, ask any topper. Is this the right approach? They will tell you yes, exactly. And just show them the notes which I will share you as a part of this batch. Just show them the notes, right? So every week we'll be having the live practice sessions for ethics, essay. You will get a schedule. Now, and this is part of Vajra and what I can say, this, this prelims, mains bootcamp and mains bootcamp plus. Then we will be having the sessions also on enrichment and value addition. For example, fresh examples on ethics, read current affairs, case studies, right? You might have heard about this Better India. So what we will do is we'll discuss the use cases of all those examples in the sessions, enrichment sessions, right? Then we have the best practice from the administration. So some IAS, IPS officers, some what is the public servants are doing something very good for the country. We will see all of them in these enrichment and the value addition sessions. Now what this will do, this will ensure that you are adding whatever is your score after this level, at least 5 to 10 marks here, right? So the intention is not to just flood you with the content. Please you complete in next 7 days of watching this video. I will drop the message in your groups as well. Second thing is, we want you to go in the range where the toppers are lying. Then you can also be in the top range as well with this level, right? So as you can sense, things are towards the practicality rather than flooding you with the content. Done. And everything which can be optimized, I've already done it, because I will be giving the notes for all the ethics wala part. SMA you don't need exactly any note. There is a Telegram channel which I will drop, where I have listed the topper copies also. I've listed very worksheets, best copies in this Telegram channel of the essay. Just follow the message which will be there in a group, right? And if you have any doubt, you will get the, what I can say, you will get a number in that, what I can say, the message. Drop me a message over that number, right? If you have any doubt whatsoever related to anything, we'll connect and we'll get it resolved. Okay. Chalo. Now there is one more important announcement. If you have joined the prelims, if you have joined the boot camp or the Vajr for 2027, you have one more opportunity with you, or you have one more option with you, not exactly the opportunity. And that option is, you can attend these sessions live in the month of August and September. No extra charges, no fees, whatever. Done? Make sense? So in August and September, there will be a schedule which will be announced, that is for all these essay, that is the 6 lectures of essay and 3 live day long lectures of ethics. You can attend them live also. No issues, absolutely whatsoever. For those who have paid the fees as a part of bootcamp, Vajr or bootcamp plus. Okay? Be it for 2026, be it for 2027, doesn't even matter. These live classes to be conducted in August and September will be open to everyone. Okay? And if you are giving 2026 ka means beta, or otherwise also, if you want to follow the recorded classes also, there will be no change in the quality. I have given my heart to those classes. You will love those classes, I promise you. Okay? Just go through those ethics and essay ka classes. Even if you want to go recorded, just feel very comfortable, even if you are giving the 2027 ka attempt. Done? I promise you will start recommending those classes to other people. Okay? So that is it from my side. One thing, that just follow the message in your group very carefully. So there will be the attachment of 2 libraries, right? Vajr batch GS4. Here you will get the ethics classes, right? There will be 3 day long classes, and these are 12 hours or maybe 10 hours day long classes. I've already told you, classes you can watch from this library. The idea is the notes I am dropping in as a PDF. So watch the classes, read the notes, you are done with the content of ethics. Then PYQs will be doing live, both case studies and these theories. Just take the printout of workbooks. Even if you want to practice before we meet, you can practice and come in the class. Okay? Otherwise, with the timer, we will start practicing the PYQs of ethics and ethics theory as well, all of them. Ethics theory and ethics case study, both of them. Okay? Secondly, for essay, there are 6 lectures in this. Plus, you have to follow the Telegram channel ka link of essay, which I will drop in your subsequent Telegram channels. Make sense? For any other doubt, you will find a contact number in the message which I will be dropping in your groups. Follow that. Thank you. So ultimately what I am saying, let's say if tomorrow is Sunday, please start your ethics classes. Please start your ethics classes. Take a printout of your notes and ensure by next Sunday, or maybe maximum Monday, if you are, let's say, Vajra class schedule, which I know is on 11th of June. Apart from that, go all in. Just finish these 2 areas, that you have the ultra confidence, when you're preparing for the mains examination. I know you may ask me, sir, should not we give the time to optional, should not we give the time to, maybe the other papers. What I'm saying is, 500 marks you are securing in just 5 days, and I don't even need 7 days. As 7 days, may 2 days, 2 days are the buffer areas, right? 500 marks you are securing. So you will be mentally free to devote all in maybe to optional and GS 1 to 3. Because now you have the content, you have watched the classes for the conceptual clarity, you know the structuring wala part also, go all in. Okay? Just work upon this. See you. Right? So ultimately, what we are doing is, we are moving ahead for ethics and essay with this plan now. Okay? Thank you.